Guys, today I wanted to kind of change things up a little bit, and don't worry, I will do the animation and Photoshop later, like in a future video, but I can't seem to figure out why my Photoshop thing deleted all of my progress. So today I'm gonna be letting my dog choose what goes in my drink. Okay, so come on, Lucy. Lucy. Okay. So right here we have lemon juice, water, and syrup. Okay, Lucy, come on. Okay, I'm just gonna get a cookie. She doesn't really like to be on video, so Lucy, come on. Cookie. Cookie. Lucy, cookie. Which one do you want? Which one? Which one? Lucy, this side. This side, Lucy. This side. This side. There. Lucy, right here. Lucy. Lucy. Come on. Lucy. Cookie. Which one do you want? Which one do you want? Oh, she tapped on the water. She hit the water. Okay. So let's do lemon juice for second. And that leaves us with syrup for third. Okay, Lucy, another cookie. One more. Come on. This time I'm gonna let her choose all of it. Lucy, come on. Cookie. One more. Wait, it's the last one. Lucy, hey, come on. Lucy. Lucy, cookie. Here. Go. Lucy, I think her tail hit the lime. Okay, so lime for first. Okay, Lucy. Okay. Okay, Lucy, just one more. Come on. Hit one. Lucy, hit one. Lucy, hit one. This side. Come on. Oh, she touched the milk for number one. So that gives us the sriracha for number three. Okay. Let's go make these. This is gonna taste horrible. Okay, so let's do number three first. I don't know, it's number three, but it's just the one that's closest to me. I'll be right back. I just need to get the glasses. Okay, three. Got it. Okay. Okay. So number three was syrup and sriracha. I'm not looking forward to this. Just gotta put a lot in there. Oh, that's a lot. Okay. Right there, a little more. Oh, yeah, that's gonna be spicy. Okay, and then for the syrup, let's just put a lot in there. It's sweet and spicy. Ew, that's disgusting. I think that's enough. I don't want to waste food, especially during coronavirus. Okay, now we have number three done. I'm not looking forward to that. Okay, now number two. That one was milk and lemon juice. I think that one might taste a little bit better. I think that one's the best out of all of them. Actually, yeah, these ones are pretty good. I actually don't know what they taste like together, but I'm just guessing it's not going to be too bad. Okay, just got to put a lot in there. Oh, that's gonna be sour. This one's gonna be sour and like creamy. It's gonna be weird. Milk. Ew. Okay, now we have both 3 and 2 done. Let's go do number 1. That one actually doesn't look too bad. It's water and lime juice. Okay. We only have a little bit of them left, so we don't have to, I can't use too much of it. Okay, I'll just, I think that's enough, right? Or, no, just a little more. Okay, and then the water. I'm just gonna put that in. Okay. Okay, and so I'll put them away after the video. I don't want to bore you. Okay, which one? This is the disgusting one out of all of them. I'll save that one for last. You. Okay, I'll drink this lemon juice and milk. Ew, it's really sour. Ew. No, actually that's not as bad as I thought. Actually, it's just kind of sour. I don't really taste the milk too much. Oh, yeah, that now hit me. That's disgusting. Don't even attempt that. Okay, this one is lime and water. I actually think this one might taste a little bit better. That really just tastes kind of like lime. It's not bad, but it doesn't really have any flavor. It's not the best drink. I'm not looking forward to this. Okay, I just gotta do this. Ew. Wait. First you feel like the sriracha consistency and it's like really spicy. And then the like sweet, it like helps a little bit. It just like kicks in and it just like the flavors combined is disgusting and ew. Okay, comment down below and subscribe if I should do another video like this. Don't even attempt any of these drinks. They're all really bad, but okay, see you in the next video. Bye.